Making money on Snapchat can be profitable if you approach it thoughtfully. So, here are some effective strategies to monetize your Snapchat. You can promote and sell your products on Snapchat, whether they are physical items like clothing and accessories, or digital products like ebooks or online courses. Share behind the scenes content, customers' testimonials, and exclusive deals to attract followers. Submit the original and engaging videos to Snapchat Spotlight, and if your content goes viral, you can earn money because the Snapchat compensates creators for high performing submissions. And you can also collaborate with the brands to promote their products or services. Brands may pay you to create content that features their offerings, especially if you have a substantial following. You can also create and sell Snapchat filters or lenses. You can also design custom filters or lenses for event, businesses, or individuals, and you can charge for these tailored filters or lenses on Snapchat. Develop Snapchat accounts focused on specific niche, such as fashion, or fitness or tech, and then sell them to the brands or individuals looking to reach that audience. And if you have a business, you can use the Snapchat to drive traffic to your website or physical store. Provide special discounts or promotions for your Snapchat followers. And besides this, you can also try the premium Snapchat feature. Create a private Snapchat account and charge subscribers for access to exclusive content. This approach works well for influencers and content creators who offer unique, entertaining, or educational material. And use Snapchat to direct followers to other monetized platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, or your blog. And if you're skilled in Snapchat marketing, consider offering your expertise to business that needs assistance with your content creation and audience growth. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.